Welcome everybody to Carteret Mobile Park. Here we are with Maria and Luis. They are proud owners of this new house. We just finished the closing. There you go, our little welcome packet. So sweet. And then they got a little packet of keys. So we're gonna watch them open up. Yay! So I turned on all the lights for you.
Oh my God, so beautiful.
No, that's open. You don't have to unlock that.
There you go.
Oh my God, so beautiful. I love it.
And enter.
Oh, what?
Nice.
Oh, I want to see your faces. Let's close the door.
I love it.
Very nice.
For my cooking.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
very
Oh,
nice.
this is beautiful.
So I put all the warranty books there and also the keys for the screens. So they're there, and you're going to fill out these little forms.
Okay.
And this house has something we purchased. It's year 2 through 7 warranty, and that's also for the appliances. It's only $50 deductible. It's worth doing. So we bought that for you with this house. It's fabulous. So you got 30-day cosmetic warranty. So let us know anything you see or find.
Right.
And then a year for everything else. And then we added this year 2 through 7.
Oh,
Got it? It's awesome.
nice.
And then there's a lot of other books about all the appliances there. So all the appliances are separate, and you'll have to fill out those little forms back there. But you've got
Well, every
your
appliance.
microwave, your stove, your dishwasher, and your refrigerator, and your hot water heater, and I'm forgetting something. Oh, the the furnace.
The furnace.
Okay. So which way do you want to go first?
Let's go.
All right.
The bedroom.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah. Oh, the sink.
Isn't that big?
It's nice.
Yeah.
It's high too.
So that glass door we install afterwards. The ones the manufacturer builds, we don't really like their quality, so we upgrade and put this in. It's a heavier, thicker, stronger door.
Pretty big too.
And then behind here, you have a little pantry.
Oh, you put it right here.
Shampoo the towels.
Yeah, whatever you need to
Nice.
have.
So beautiful. You look at the floor. Nice.
Yeah. Very nice.
I
So
love it.
let's look at the, I want you to lift the little curtain, the little shade. Those are now stringless.
Okay.
So those are new, and you just pull down and pull up, and then to twist the little stem, you'll open it up. So they provide that, and the little valances. Yep. I didn't turn on the fan, but the fan goes on.
Oh.
I kept it low, nice and quiet.
It's pretty big too.
It's very big. So here's your bedroom. And then this is another upgrade that we do. We do the hot water heater here instead of the access through the closet. The manufacturer does access in the closet, and then you got to take all your clothes out if anything happens. So we just put in a little door. You can put a piece of furniture in front of it. It's just to make it easier for you to reach it whenever, if you ever need to. All right. And then the warranty book is on the outside,
Okay.
so you'll have to go through that and fill that out. And then go in the closet and you can look at the data plate that I gave you a copy
Okay,
of. See that right
I see it
there?
right here.
Okay.
Yes.
And
The water valve.
the water valve is important. So that's another upgrade we do, because typically the manufacturer puts the water valve underneath, and who's going to want to crawl underneath their
Right,
house?
right. So you shut that off, say if we go on vacation,
Yep.
we shut it off?
Shut it off, especially if you go in the winter.
Okay.
And I can see that Chuck left a hammer up above, so
Oh, you got a hammer up here.
Chuck was here a little while ago. I was like, hey, go check on, let me grab that.
Maybe I forget it.
Yeah. So you got LED lights above, you've got your smoke detector there, and then let's see what else we have. What else can I tell you about?
What color is this? This like Not the.
So the house is primed.
Yeah.
We had the
but
painter
it's
come in and
yeah,
prime
the
it.
color that I see, yeah.
So it's supposed to be white, but it does have a little tone to it.
Like a blue,
Yeah, I see
bluish
blue.
thing in it, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, I see it. This is a regular size washer and dryer, not apartment size, so you can put in there, you know, regular measurement. Lots of cabinet space, and those are adjustable there. And then you've got this programmable thermostat, and there's a little booklet that explains how to do that, since I don't know how. And then behind you, you've got your 100 amp electric. And open that up, and you'll see everything's marked and labeled on the side, and then you'll know where everything goes. Okay? What else? Oh, over here, you've got the furnace. So it's on a little magnet to close it. This panel comes out and there's a filter in here.
Okay.
The way that they build it is so that you can take it outside, hose it off, and put it right back.
Clean it every
Once a year,
Okay.
and then clamp it back in. So your hot water heater, your air conditioning and your hot air come through that
Here.
furnace. And then finally, the last bedroom.
Oh, it's
It is,
nice.
yeah,
This is
yeah.
nice.
From the other one. Yeah, right, yeah.
Yep, and then you've got your regular closet. So
I like the.
so cute. Oh, I love it. She's got keys and they're auto. They're gold. Very sweet. It's beautiful. It gives us such happiness to give you a home. There's a lot of people needing a place that they can call home and relax, rejuvenate, and then go back.
No,
out
it's nice
into
and
the world.
quiet because every time we pass by, say in the morning, in the afternoon,
Yeah.
midday, at night, it's always quiet.
I tell people, drive through anytime, it's always quiet.
6 months coming. 6 months.
So how
One
did
time
you,
we came at night and I say,
July, August, September,
Yeah.
October,
Before
November,
the summer, I think,
December.
yeah.
So
6
how'd you
months.
first hear
We come
about us?
Every day.
we started going down to Carteret. And one time she tells me, oh, look at those houses over there. I say, yeah. You know, I just didn't pay no mind to it. So we kept going and say, every time we kept going, why, don't you like those? I said, no. I mean, like trailer, you know? So she said, she started watching in the YouTube channel. And then I started seeing the way they looked inside. They said, oh, look. Especially in the kitchen.
Yeah.
In the bathroom. I said,
Oh, beautiful.
yo, they look pretty nice.
Beautiful.
So then we started coming down more, looking around, because like you say, the history of this, yeah.
stigma, yeah.
So I started watching, let's go at night, let's go at this time, let's go this. Then we came one time at night, and I said, we gotta go in there, we gotta get arrested, we don't live here. We keep going in and they can see the same car coming in and out, So we started, going around and he said, okay, let's give it a try, let's see what happens. And,
Wow.
and boom, we're here. I never thought I was going to J2.
Yeah.
Out of all of them, I said J2 and boom. Yeah.
That's
Very
so
nice.
beautiful.
Very happy.
I love it.
Nice.
I love it.
So you're the reason you're here then?
Yeah, Maria. She's the one that kept me on top of that. I didn't
Wow.
want to, yeah.
Wow. So not everybody does what we do. A lot of people who purchase or own communities, they don't really care what comes in or what you're living in.
Yeah.
And we've taken out the older ones and brought in the newer houses that make it more residential.
Exactly.
So Mr. Dolan's standard is really strict, like having all drywall and having all vinyl instead
That's
of.
another thing I like too. Well, everything was dry.
Yeah, and it's a higher
Yeah.
pitch in the ceiling so that you feel like you're in a house, not a trailer. There's a lot of things he does that make it a wow aspect. So it is an honor to be a part of this with you. I mean,
Thank you.
it's really nice.
Mr. Dolan, thank you.
You'll be sure to see this. Thank you. All right, Merry Christmas.
And Happy New Year.
It's gonna be a good year next year.
And everybody out there who wants to try, just give it a try. I've been living in an apartment for years, and I was looking for a house, but the prices were ridiculous.
Yeah.
And I said, no, I don't want to get into that. At this age, I said, let me just get something,
That's your own.
more, relaxing, not so big. And got in here, and then here we are.
We love having you. Thank you.
21 came out real good.
Awesome. Thank you. All right, let's go back to this.
This video had a sentence, Saturday, Sunday. I go say now, the diner, I watch Maria.
Oh,
No, no, how you want. I said, we can see Maria again.
Sunday.
Anytime we're gonna see Maria.
and now you meet me in person. That's sweet.
Thank
we
you, Maria.
we never even met. We did everything online, and
Yeah.
we tried to change it and make
We
it.
met on the in Edison.
We did?
Yes. Remember that time we came
Oh,
around?
walking around on a Saturday?
Yes.
Oh.
With you and Mr. Dolan, you were going down from the stairs.
that was
yes.
July 4th.
Yeah.
We
That
were
was
there
on
over the weekend. I said, oh, let's just go up
Yeah.
there and see. We have to check on
You
something.
were showing a house there, and you were coming down the stairs, and I was talking to Mr. Dolan and said, oh, here comes the famous Maria.
No, this is the famous Maria. Oh,
Maria.
very nice.
Thank you.
Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you.
Enjoy it.
Bye-bye.
All right. Bye-bye.